Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Ming, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Taiwanese popcorn chicken. I'll be sharing with you my special recipe to get the most crispy and crunchy skin while still keeping that interior tender and juicy. I really love Taiwanese popcorn chicken because it's the perfect answer to my late night street food craving. It's got that crunch, it's got that salt, it's got that really unique spice profile to it. I love making it and sharing it with my friends. So let's get into it. To get that juicy interior, we're going to start off with chicken thighs and cut them into 1-inch cubes. Now here's a pro tip, toast your spices. Toasting will really highlight those aromatic oils and bring out the flavors of your spice. Make sure you reserve a little for finishing. The marinade is one of the most important elements of this recipe. We want to make sure that the spices impart as much of their flavor into the chicken as possible. One of the trickiest parts of fried chicken is getting that perfect contrast between crunchy outside and tender inside. One trick you can use is to add some orange juice to the marinade to get that super juicy and tender interior. Marinate your chicken for at least 15 minutes, or better yet, overnight, to set the flavors. I really like making this for when my friends come over. They always love eating it, but they leave none for me. But that's okay, I still love you guys. So in order to get that light, crispy crunch, here's a tip. Use a mix of sweet potato starch and cornstarch instead of all-purpose flour. So here's another cool trick. Spray the potato starch with some water, wait 10 seconds, and mix. Repeat this 2 more times. This makes extra crunchy bits that people will love. Make sure each piece is evenly coated. That way you end up with a uniform crunch. Load it all up into your air fryer for an easy and healthy cook. I love this recipe, and if you did end up trying it or have any great ideas to make it even better, post in the comments below. I definitely want to hear about them. I love bringing people together with good food, and I know you do too. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to help our channel grow. And I'll see you in the next one when it's time to eat again.